Hello student, how are you? In this video we are going to learn the structure of the Java program. Right, in our previous videos we learned how we can perform the addition of the two numbers, and also we learned how to print the hello world on the output screen. Okay, so this is very more this is very more important video, right? So like our Java will be start from the structure, right? If we learn the structure, then we can write the program very easily. Okay, so in the structure of the Java, the first section would be wait okay the first section would be documentation section, right? Documentation section is a optional section, right? If you want to uh, write the purpose of the program of the then we can write right in the comment section. Our first section is documentation section, and this is a optional section. Okay, we don't need, this is not a compulsory. If you want to write the purpose of the program, then we can write, otherwise we should not write in our program, right? And also whatever we written in this section, compiler will not compile, right? And okay, our next section is package declaration. Okay, package declaration, right? If you want to use any package, for example we are created one package, and also we are created one more package, right? But if we want to use the content of our first package, then we need to import the package. So at that time, package declaration section is very more important. So this is also optional section, right? If you want to include the first package in our second package, then we can use, otherwise we don't need to use this, right? This is also optional section. This is optional section, right? And also I will tell you about the all the sections, right, by practically. Just I'm telling you some uh, little information theoretically. Okay, so the next section will be uh, import import statement, and this is also optional section. Okay, if you want to use any library of the Java, then at that time we can use the import. Okay, otherwise we don't need to use the import, right? For example, in our previous video we used java.util, java.scanner, right? These all are the coming from the import keyword, right? And also we can declare the import by using the import keyword. Okay, so this is our third, and the fourth would be interface section. Yeah, and this is also optional, right? If you want to use the interface in our class, then we can use, otherwise we should not use, right? These all are the optional. Okay, only we have one section that is a compulsory in our program. Okay, one or two, we have only one or two sections that are the compulsory to write in our program, right? And the fifth will be class definition, right? Class definition. Okay, so this is the compulsory, right? So as I told you earlier, okay, everything in Java is written in inside the class. So without class it is not possible to write the Java program. Okay, for example, we just need to print the hello world on the screen. Then first of all we need to create the one class, like class practice. Then we need to use the method, like public static void this method. Then we can use the print the hello world. Okay, so class is necessary in Java. Okay, so the last section is main method class, right? Main method. So main method is very more important, because the Java program will be start from the main method, and the execution of the program will be start from the main function, right? So and also if we are doing the command line arguments in our Java program, then at that time uh, like at that time we need to pass the argument in the main method. So at that time main method is very important, so this is compulsory. Only we have two sections that are the compulsory, to write in our program. So these are the 6 section. Okay. Yeah. So the next topic is comments. Okay. So okay, comments. Documentation means comment, right? Documentation is nothing but the comment section. There are total two types of the comment section. The first one is single line comment. We can declare the single line comment by using the slash symbol, like this. This is a single line comment. And the second is multiple line comment. This is a multiple line comment, right? If you want to comment multiple lines in our source code or the program, then at that time we should use the multiple line comments. So this is about the single line and multiple line. Okay, so the next is we are going to learn how to define the class in our program, and how to create the object of that class, right? So simply remove this and create one class. Class is a keyword, so whenever you are writing the class, then you should write in a small case, okay, in lower case. If you are writing in upper case, then at that time you will get error. So for that you must be write in the upper case, and the name will be user defined, right? You can write anything whatever you want. Okay, if you are if you want to write bucket, chadi, banyan, then you can write the name of the class. Okay, then the name of the class is practice, and we are declaring the main method, public static void main and string args. Okay, so here we declared the one class, that is practice, and also we declared one method, that is public static void main string args. Okay, so simply whenever we are creating the class, at that time we can include in that class methods. Is nothing but the functions, right? And also we can declare the functions, we can declare the local variables in that function, and also we can declare global variables. Okay, and also we can declare the instance variable. Okay, so firstly I am declaring the two variables, int a and b. After that I am creating one method, right, as a void show. I am creating only one method in this class because this is our first program, right? Slowly we will write some hard programs, right? Some difficult kind of the programs, right? Because this is our first program, that's why I'm writing very easy program. So just we need to print the value of the ab. Okay, so if you want to print, then first of all we need to assign the value. For that I am assigning the value 10 and 20. Then simply print that values, system out dot println. Okay, so this is our a variable, okay, and the b variable will be system dot out dot println. This is our b variable. Okay, just we here we can print the value of the variables in the method. Okay, so in the Java, right, we have access modifiers like private, public, protected, right? But in C++ at that time we were calling like access specifier, but in Java we need to call as a access modifier, right? Like in Java there is very different use of that access modifiers, right? We cannot use like that C++, right? So simply if you want to create the object, Then we have one syntax. Okay, we have one syntax for creating an object. First of all, whenever we are creating the object, at that time write the class name first of all. Okay, then create the variable of that particular object. Okay, you can create the variable whatever you want as your wish. I am creating a1. Then equal to new. Okay, new is the keyword, and new is the operator. Okay, new is operator. Okay, and so then repeat, you need to use class name, then curly braces. This is the constructor, right? Class name. I think you learned in the C++ key, whenever our class name and our method name is the same, then at that time that is called as the constructor. So here we declared the class name, and also our top that class name is same, so both are the same, so that is called as a constructor. So I'm deleting this syntax, so I'm writing example. Class name, our class name is practice. Now this is our variable name, new operator, then practice. Then like if you want to access the method of that particular class, then we need to first of all call that method. Okay, for calling the method, first of all we need to write the variable name dot, then dot, and then whatever we created the function in our class, then simply we can write here. Okay, p1 dot show, this is our method name. Okay, so yeah, we can declare the class like this. This is very easy, right? This is not like hard. I am compiling this where we created our project. Here Java you can write. This is a class practice. Okay, he is saying we already created this file, so we cannot create repeatedly. For this I am giving some different kind of a name, like class name, right? You can also give the class name like this, right? You can also use underscore, right, in your class name. It depend upon your wish, right? You can write okay, as per your wish. Then class name dot java is the extension of the Java. Then save this file as a all file, right? Class name dot java, right? Then after that compile this. If you want to compile, then you should go on that folder. Here we have this folder, and go in this folder. After that click on this path, then remove this path, then print, and then write cmd. Then what is our class name? Our class name is class name. Our class name is class name, correct? Very nice name. So Java C, class name class name dot Java. Okay, he is saying we are like we can't find your file. It means he's not getting our file. For this I think we are doing any problem, like we are doing one mistake, I think. Okay, yes, it's correct. Whenever we are compiling our code, at that time we should have to write like this. First of all Java C, then we return underscore, right? We need to write the underscore as it is, but we return like dot. This is a wrong, that's why he is displaying the method, sorry, error. Java C class name class underscore name dot Java. Okay, options. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, first name, you should save as a first name. First name dot Java. First name dot Java. Okay, I think these files are not saying this, right? We are not save as where we are storing this file. Yeah, this is a mistake that we are doing. First name dot java. Yes, now our file is successfully saved, right? So then we can write here like this, uh, java c first name. And also this is a very important thing. Whenever you are getting any error, at that time you should try to read that error, because you know that error handling is also one type of the topic in the java you will learn, and also I will teach you that topic. Okay, the name of the topic is exceptional handling, right? In java, if you are getting error, then that is called as a exception, right? Not error. In our general language we can call as a error, but in our java programming we need to call as a exception. This, yeah, so now we are getting our file. Okay, p1.show class first name. Here we declared class first name int abb while show system out dot println public static void main string args. Here we declared, okay, yes, if we changed our class name, so we, and also we need to change this. I hope our program will be run. Yes, our program is running successfully. So currently we don't have any type of error, so we can interpret our program right now. Java uh, first name. Yeah, see, here we assigned 10, here is a 10, here we assigned 20, here is a 20. So guys, this is the first program that we created in the java, right? Like our oops is starting from the today. Okay, and also slowly we will learn each and every topic of the oops, right? If you didn't learn about the c++, then okay, then it's okay, not a problem. I will also teach you about the c++. Okay, c is dependent on java, and also java is totally dependent on c++, right? Both are connected with each other, both are the oops language, but java have a more feature as a compared to c++, right? C++ has a very less feature. Okay, that's why java is a very more popular as, okay, as a compared to c++ in the IT field currently. Okay, and also we will learn the advanced java. Okay, we will learn each and everything okay, and the next is mm, okay, next is in our previous videos we performed the addition of the two numbers without class and object. Okay, but in today's video we are performing the addition of the two numbers in the class. Okay, this is important. Okay, we can easily perform the addition of two numbers without class, but how to perform the addition in class, then yeah, then this is little bit tough as a compared to that. For that, here we declare two variables. Okay, simply here we need to write like this: system dot out dot println. Okay, then addition. After that, right, a plus b will be print here. So here we declared local variables, then here we are printing the addition of that local variable, then here we are created the objects. So now we are checking whether it is a correct or not. If it is a correct, then it will not show any error. So our program is successfully compiled. It means we do not have any type of error. So currently we can interpret our program for this java. See guys, addition 30. Yes, our addition will be 30. So I am giving you one task. Okay, you should perform the subtraction, multiplication, division of the two number, and also if you want to try the arithmetic operation on the three number, then you can try. Okay, so I think this is sufficient in our today's video. Right, tomorrow we will learn some high level concepts, right? Some how to perform the um, how to find the palindrome number, how to find the Armstrong number, right? And also how to find the addition of the numbers. So we will learn these type of programs in our next lecture. Okay, so for this it is sufficient. Okay, so thanks for watching. Okay, okay, so bye bye, see you in next videos.